Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jason Hubbard with eXp Realty. Today we're going to be talking about a hot topic that's been on a lot of people's minds. Does a homeowner or an agent have to disclose a death at the property when selling a home in the state of Arizona? Let's get straight into it. Is disclosure of death required when selling a home in the state of Arizona? The short answer is no. Homeowners and agents are not required to disclose a death at the property when selling a home in the state of Arizona. This is known as the Stigma Law, and it's in place to protect homeowners from being discriminated against because of something that happened on their property in the past. So, why is this law important? This law is crucial because it helps protect homeowners' rights. It prevents buyers from being unfairly pressured to purchase a home they may not be comfortable with. Are there any exceptions to the law? Yes. If a death was caused by a crime, or if it was a homicide, a crime, then the homeowner or the agent must disclose that information. Also, if a buyer asks specifically, the agent or the seller must answer truthfully. So, what should buyers do? If you're buying a home in Arizona, it's essential to do your research and ask questions. You can also request the homeowner or the agent to sign a disclosure statement stating that they are aware of any deaths that have occurred on the property. Before we wrap up, let's explore some additional information on this topic. What is the history of stigma laws in the United States? Stigma laws have a long history dating back to the mid-20th century when concerns about haunted houses and other property-related issues arose. They evolved over time, bringing us to today to balance privacy concerns with transparency. If you're finding this information valuable in any way, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so you can see future videos. These simple steps helps my channel grow and be seen by more people and makes it so you're notified when I put out more content that you may find useful. Okay, let's get back to it. Are there any pros to the stigma laws? The pros include protecting homeowners from unwarranted discrimination and ensuring privacy. However, they may limit a buyer's access to critical information about a property. Are there any cons to the stigma laws? Lack of information for buyers is a con if they don't research and ask the right questions. If a buyer finds out after purchasing and moving into the home that there's been a death at the property, this could negatively impact the desire they have to live there. So, what is the impact on homeowners and buyers? How stigma laws impact homeowners and buyers is a crucial aspect of our discussion. Homeowners may find these laws protective, but buyers may feel they lack critical information when making a significant investment. Here are some more common examples of homes that were famous murder homes that had negative impacts. The Amityville Horror House. The Amityville Horror House in New York was the site of a gruesome mass murder in 1974. The subsequent reports of paranormal activity further added to its infamy. The house has changed ownership multiple times over the years, and its value has been impacted due to its history. The Lizzie Borden House, which is located in Fall River, Massachusetts, was the location of the infamous 1892 murders of Andrew and Abby Borden. It has been converted into a bed and breakfast, and while it attracts curiosity, seekers, it also faces challenges in selling rooms to guests due to its history. The Menendez brothers mansion, the mansion in Beverly Hills where the Menendez brothers brutally murdered their parents in 1989, faced difficulties when trying to sell. Despite its luxurious amenities, potential buyers were deterred by the home's dark history. And then, of course, anyone my age remembers the O.J. Simpson house, the home in Brentwood where the murders of Nicole Brown Simpson and Ron Goldman occurred in 1994. That home has seen fluctuating property values and has had challenges in selling. These properties often require significant price reductions, and buyers who are willing to overlook their histories are the ones that end up buying them for less money. Now let's address some common questions viewers may have. If you find out that a death has occurred at the property you're buying, it's essential to consider how this affects your comfort with the property. You may want to discuss this with the homeowner or the agent. Negotiating a lower price on a home due to a death at the property is possible, but it's subject to the seller's willingness and market conditions. This is where you want to make sure you have a good, experienced agent to help with negotiating. Disclosure when selling. If you're selling your home in the future, disclosure requirements may vary by location. This is another area where it could be crucial to have an expert real estate agent. So there you have it. We've explored the subject of whether homeowners or agents have to disclose a death at the property when selling a home in Arizona. It's important to understand the exceptions and for buyers to do their research and to ask questions. Stigma laws, like most legal matters, are nuanced and come with unique considerations. Of course, you'll want to check with an attorney to verify any information, as this video should not be considered legal advice. I hope this video has provided you with valuable information about this topic. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about more real estate insights and legal discussions. Thank you for joining us today, and I'll see you on the next video.